Imagine looking up and seeing a planet so massive, with rings stretching across the entire horizon. What if Saturn, the jewel of our solar system, were replaced by J1407b, a planet with rings 200 times larger? Could Earth survive such a cosmic shift? Would our skies become a spectacle of beauty or a harbinger of doom? Welcome to today's video where we dive into this fascinating what-if scenario. Saturn is already a marvel in our solar system. Known for its iconic rings, it has captivated astronomers and stargazers for centuries. These rings are primarily made of ice particles, dust, and rocks, spanning over 280,000 kilometers. But what if we swapped Saturn with J1407b, a planet located about 434 light-years away in the constellation Centaurus? J1407b is nicknamed Super Saturn because its ring system is colossal, spanning over 120 million kilometers. If these rings were placed in our solar system, they would be visible from Earth without telescopes. But how would this replacement impact our solar system? Let's dive deeper. The rings of J1407b are not just large, they are mind-bogglingly complex. Scientists believe these rings contain gaps, likely caused by exomoons orbiting within them. To put their size into perspective, if J1407b were where Saturn is now, its rings would dominate our night sky. These rings could appear as massive arcs stretching across the horizon, creating a celestial show unlike anything humanity has ever witnessed. But beauty comes at a cost. The gravitational pull of such a massive ring system would disrupt nearby planets and moons. Could Earth remain unaffected? Replacing Saturn with J1407b would unleash gravitational chaos in the solar system. The immense mass and gravitational influence of J1407b could destabilize the orbits of nearby planets like Jupiter and Uranus. Earth's orbit might shift slightly, leading to changes in climate patterns or even making our planet uninhabitable over time. Asteroid redirection. The gravitational pull could redirect asteroids from the asteroid belt toward Earth, increasing the risk of catastrophic impacts. While the visual spectacle might be awe-inspiring, these disruptions could spell disaster for life as we know it. Let's imagine the best-case scenario where Earth remains stable despite J1407b's presence. The rings would transform our skies. During daytime, the rings could cast shadows on Earth, creating unique patterns. At night, they would glow brightly due to reflected sunlight and might even outshine the moon. Astronomers would have an unprecedented opportunity to study such a phenomenon up close. However, increased radiation from ring particles interacting with solar winds could pose risks to satellites and communication systems. J1407b teaches us about the diversity of planetary systems in the universe. Its massive rings suggest that planets can form in ways vastly different from those in our solar system. Studying such exoplanets helps us understand how ring systems evolve over time, the role of moons in shaping planetary features, the possibilities for life in systems vastly different from ours. So what if Saturn were replaced by Super Saturn, J1407b? While the visual grandeur would be unmatched, the consequences could range from minor orbital shifts to catastrophic planetary disruptions. This thought experiment reminds us of how delicately balanced our solar system is and how even small changes can have profound effects. What do you think? Would you trade stability for the chance to witness such a celestial masterpiece? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this cosmic exploration, don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe for more fascinating what-if scenarios and deep dives into astronomy. And as always, keep looking up at the stars. They might just